You did.
But it'll be coming back around.
We're running it.
They are.
After all this time.
You can thank me that you know.
Thanks.
Because this one was like, we'll wait and see till we get there tomorrow. And they're like, they said they were running it.
Well, I figured
Here it comes now.
And I said, text Tristan and tell him.
And then I actually saw it on Facebook, right?
Oh, did you?
Looks like you might get a steam train ride today, huh?
Do not talk to operator. Stop talking.
So you know. Well, I got more big here for myself than.
Hello.
Hello, you? Pretty good.
Yeah, maybe. Charlie, how you doing?
Good.
Is Wade coming around today?
Cameron.
I don't. I can borrow yours.
Hello.
Hello. Just to give you a heads up, we still don't have internet.
Okay.
Okay, that Charlie is waiting on the technician, and hopefully it'll get resolved, maybe.
Okay.
But we don't have internet, so we can't do any card sales whatsoever.
Okay. Is the store open? You want me to
I did not open it.
Do we need to open it?
Yeah, if you
I'll
want to.
see.
Check your startup money. Make sure you have decent change.
Okay.
Because if they use the gift shop last Saturday and Sunday, you might not have decent change. And if you need change, let me know and we'll get it.
Okay. Cool. All right. Thanks.
All right. Indeed. So who's operating now?
Cameron, I'm going up to open the shop, okay? Don't sit in the sun.
With passengers, right?
Back up here into the shade.
Yeah, we got shade over here too.
Yeah, there's shade over there by Larry too, if you're
Yep.
here.
No, I can't.
You can't run?
No, you're not qualified yet. You don't qualify.
Yeah, you got the official badge and everything. Because I wouldn't think you would get one and have it until you actually got better phone and bit.
That has nothing to do with it.
Okay.
Yep. It's just whenever you order it and you pay for it, that's how that comes to be.
I understand that.
Yeah, I always try to recommend when people get off of the train to take the tour first.
Makes sense.
Because that is designated times and their last tour will be at 2:30. They don't do any tours after 2:30. So
Did you talk with anybody else like them since we're let them know that? Okay.
But that's okay. Is already
Doing okay.
Well, makes sense. Things for seconds to come over there if they want to.
Come on, mate. You told me I say, get over here.
up there.
Fancy.
Maybe the train.
I don't think they would let you do that.
So did they go ahead and talk to you yet about whenever the guy was here?
When he last called was in Roxbury,
Oh,
so it was about an hour.
I was gonna say. I'm not familiar with that.
Pick up the wire.
Oh.
Roxbury was on 971.
He's got a kiss this race.
Ooh, it's working.
If manpower will.
Right.
What we have been doing is bump is the word when it comes to that. Okay? And because we've been able to use that
There goes that.
2 o'clock to 3 o'clock time,
11:30 train ride.
which
Hi.
as opposed to committing ourselves to that far more.
So he's going at 11:30 there.
It's been rare this year that we've done that during the weekdays. Because we needed the time for the trip. You're right.
Time I get my camera ready,
End of the building left.
Thank you.